Can you change the currency in the Turkish Airline app? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you whether you can change your currency in Turkish Airline app or not. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, head over to your browser, and once you're in the browser, you need to type turkishairlines.com. This will take you to the official website of Turkish Airlines. From here, you can go ahead and book a flight to anywhere that you want, and once you select where you want to go, you need to go ahead and click on search flights. This will take a moment to search your flights, and as you can see that this has found a flight for me. Now here you can see a little select currency icon next to the list icon over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on select currency. Now as you can see that the currency is now shown to US dollar. Let's say you want to change it to euro. So simply go ahead and select euro, and from here you can see the price of your flight on euro. And that's it. You now know how to change currency on Turkish Airline app. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.